Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, distinguished policy makers, global strategists, industry leaders, and esteemed delegates, a very warm welcome to the India Economic Conclave. We meet at a moment when the global order is undergoing rapid calibration. Economic power blocks are shifting, tariff battles are redefining trade flows, technological supremacy is the new currency of influence, and energy geopolitics is reshaping alliances across continents. The world today is not merely interconnected, it is interdependent and increasingly contested. And it is in this volatile and competitive landscape that India has emerged as a decisive, stabilizing, and forward-looking power. Our latest GDP numbers reaffirm India as the world's fastest-growing major economy. This growth is structurally deep-rooted with rising manufacturing momentum, strong financial sector fundamentals, expanding physical and digital infrastructure, and unparalleled entrepreneurship in the emerging world. Even as global headwinds, protectionist tariffs, commodity volatility, and geopolitical flashpoints unsettle economies, India has demonstrated a rare ability to stay on course with clarity and conviction. A significant part of the confidence stems from India's independent foreign policy, which is now widely recognized as a model of strategic autonomy. India engages with all major powers without being aligned to any one bloc, enabling it to protect national interests while shaping global conversations. Equally, India's military capability and decisive strategic posture have reinforced its role as a responsible regional power. In an era when geopolitical tensions can rapidly escalate into economic disruptions, India's readiness and resolve act as a crucial anchor of security and predictability. At the same time, India has demonstrated leadership on the major challenge of our times, climate change. Our aggressive renewable energy trajectory, green hydrogen mission, electric mobility strategy, and commitments at COP forums underline that India is not just participating in the global climate agenda, it is influencing it. We are building a growth model that is not only high-performing, but future-proof. This year's theme, Navigating Geoeconomics, could not be more timely. The world is entering an era where economics and geopolitics are inseparable. The strategic importance of supply chains, critical minerals, energy security, digital sovereignty, and trade alliances is now on par with military decisions. Nations that can integrate economic foresight with geopolitical acumen will define the next global chapter. India is unquestionably one of those nations. Over the course of this conclave, we aim to decode these shifts and explore how India can leverage its demographic strength, innovation ecosystems, manufacturing ambition, reform momentum, and diplomatic agility to cement its place as a leading global power. On behalf of the Times Network, I extend my deepest gratitude to our chief guest, Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, for her presence and for her resolute stewardship of India's economic architecture at this pivotal moment. I also welcome the distinguished speakers partners, and delegates joining us to shape the conversations that matter for India's next leap. Ladies and gentlemen, as we look forward to 2047, 100 years of our independence, we stand at the threshold of a historic transformation. The mission is clear and unwavering: to make India a fully developed, globally influential nation by the time we mark 100 years of freedom. Economically robust, strategically secure, technologically sovereign, environmentally responsible, and globally respected. India's moment is not approaching, it is here. And together, we will ensure that India will not only navigate this new geo-economic era, but also leads it. Thank you, and I wish you all a profoundly insightful India Economic Conclave. Thank you.